Hello everyone. So today I am here with this video about how to develop a semi-structured interview guide for your qualitative researches. So what is the definition of qualitative interview? A qualitative interview is a research approach in qualitative studies where more personal interactions and communication is required to get more in-depth information from the participants. So what are the types of qualitative interview? There are four types: structured interview, semi-structured, unstructured, and focus group. So here are some characteristics of semi-structured interview. In this interview, interviewer may prepare a list of questions but won't ask them all or touch them in particular order. Instead, the interviewer will use the questions to guide the conversation. It is basically a list of short questions that follow the prompts grouped by the topic. So the first characteristic of interview guide is the questions should answer your research questions. So research questions should be used in the guide to get the detailed answer. You may break down the questions into meaningful words to engage the participants, and questions should be jargon free. Link to your proposed analytic approach, and it should be constructed in a way that best suits your analysis. If it's a narrative analysis, for example, the question should be asked that help to tell the stories. Specific why and prompt questions. So ask more. For example, you can use why, when, where, then, and other sort of prompts that will help you great. Be flexible with the order. There is no rigidity for the sequencing, so you can ask anything in any order. But for example, this interviewer basically can ask any questions, and if the respondent is responding for a particular question, you can go with the row. So keep a printed version of your interview guide with you. It is always recommended to keep a printed copy to align your interview and record that every topic is covered and you are not missing a relevant topic to get the information from the participant. So it is advisable to keep a copy of your interview guide that can help you in a better way. So try for a natural conversation. A good in-depth interview has to be appeared as naturalistic as it can be. It will be a little resemblance to an everyday conversation. So it will help you with honest and rich responses. Discuss with your research team and supervisor that this is our interview guide and we are trying to take the account of respondent over this. So it's always recommended to have a discussion with your supervisor and teammate about your interview guide. So adapting the guide, it is common to do your first interview and realize that you are not asking about the critical area or that some new potential insight is emerging. So it is always recommended that you adapt the guide and your first version can be different from the last. So the next one is test the timing. Make sure that you have enough questions to get the detail you need, but also have low priority questions you can drop if things are taking too long. Test the timing of your interview guide will be with a few participants or even friends. Here is a reference list which could be valuable for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.